I know 7th grade went by way too fast. It feels like it started just yesterday. I still remember arguing with Mr. Peters about whether or not I could use his car to go see the Divergent premiere. We happened to be in Springfield during that time, but it was still a good year. I know at the beginning of the year, I only had one previous year of French, and this year I had Monsieur Bouton. I was convinced I couldn't make it through the year in his class, but I learned that I would make it out plenty alive. Mr. Peters was a bit different. Last year, my mom was my teacher, so this year I didn't have to raise my hand and ask, "Mom, can I do this?" or "Mom, can I do that?" And actually, I could finally say, "Mr. Peters, can I do this?" And I didn't have to sound way too different from everyone else, although different is good. Also, Mr. Peters, I don't know where you are, but I do realize that you were true when you said that we are all bloodthirsty 7th graders. Mrs. Skolin, your class was really fun. We had treat day and Kaylin had lots of questions, and we still managed to learn way more than we needed to for next year. I also found that your notes were quite helpful if you actually wrote them down and remembered your glasses, Kendall. Mr. Malcolm, your class was really creative with how you taught. You were teaching us all along, and none of us really realized that we were learning, although we ended up learning all this stuff. And we learned about the elements, Motorcycle Mama, our capstone life projects were pretty cool, except for the fact that my group forgot to plant the seeds deep enough, so we only ended up with 2 plants. It was still good research, though, and we learned a lot. Mrs. Krause, you're the sassiest English teacher I know. You are beyond sarcastic in a great way, and our class has way too many inside jokes. I think by now Raymond is out of the rain, and Kendall has bled enough to ask at least one question. We still managed to learn so much in your class, and if I could choose, I would have you for my English teacher for all the years to come. In the end, this year went by way too quick. So many memories were made and shared. Thank you, MPA, for a wonderful year.